Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can check lifetime views and watch time on your YouTube channel. So first of all you can log in and here you can go on YouTube Studio. Then on the left side here you can see these are different options that you can use, and if you go here you can see the reports for the last 28 days. So how you can see lifetime views details and watch time, just you can go here analytics, and then you can go here, then you will get multiple options: last 7 days, 28 days, 90 days, last year, lifetime. So you can click here and you will get a complete report. Here you can see, so watch time is 3.4k, subscribers 657, views 176k. So in this way you can easily see all the reports from start to end on your YouTube channel. So thank you for watching video. For more videos and updates, please subscribe my YouTube channel.